Hi, this is Gloria from the Champaign County Library, and I'm just showing you one of the new items we have in our Maker Kit program. So this is something that you'll be able to check out and use at home. So it's a little Evo robot. It's just a little tiny robot, but he's really fun to play with. There's a Get Started card. You just put on there, hold the power button until the light turns white, and let it go, and it will start to program itself and get it all ready to go. When it's green, you know it's ready. The kit comes with a lot of different activity cards, and the way this works, yes, I'm going to hold you for a minute. You'll see there's different colors on here, and the different colors mean different things. So on this one it says, can you tell which color codes mean slow, fast, and U-turn? So we'll let him go. Oh, he's off the page. Need to get him on the line. So he's figuring out where he's at. Let's move it back a little bit. And so you can tell from that code, it told him to do a U-turn. Go up to this one, and that one told him to speed up. So the different colors are telling him to do different things. This particular activity sheet already has the colors. In the kit, you'll get markers that you can make your own code. You can code your own activities for the robot to do. They're all different kinds. It will give you some suggestions on what you can do, or you could just take a piece of paper and put colors on it and see what you can get him to do. So he'll just keep going. If he starts to get tired, you need to charge him up. There's a little charging cord. And we hope that you come check this out, try it out, maybe learn a little bit about coding, and have some fun. Thanks.